Zion reggae, yeah, man. Hey. Upon the head of righteous man, crown of Zion shining stand, not of silver, not of gold, but of love and truth untold. It bless the humble, bless the meek, crown of Zion all man seek. Every jewel a holy sign, crown of Jah forever shine. Crown of Zion pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. Yeah. Yeah. It glows so bright in morning sun, it shine until the work is done. It mark the faithful, mark the kind, crown of Jah upon the mind. No Babylon can steal away, crown of Zion here to stay. It rise above the earthly throne, crown of Jah forever own. It guard the heart, it guard the soul, crown of Zion make man know. It lift the weak, it raise the low, crown of Zion always show. It sing a song, it tell a tale of righteous win and wicked fail. Upon the brow of holy child, crown of Jah forever style. Me dream at night of shining light, crown of Zion burning bright. It says stay strong, don't go astray, hold the faith both night and day. It bless the elder, bless the youth, crown of Jah reveal the truth. Forever bright, forever new, crown of Zion shine on you. When the final call is made, crown of Zion never fade. It rests upon the chosen head, living soul and spirit fed. From first to last, from birth to end, crown of Zion always friend. Eternal jewel, eternal flame, crown of Jah forever same. Shine bright, shine tall, crown of Zion bless us all. No man, no king can wear the same, only Jah uphold the name. Crown of Zion pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. From dawn of time to endless day, crown of Zion light the way.
Ayayayay. Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Upon the hill, so high, so tall, mountain of Zion stand for all. No storm can shake, no fire can burn. To Jah true mountain me always turn. It call the soul, it lift the hand. Mountain strong for all the land. Every pilgrim walk the way to Zion peak, we kneel and pray. Mountain of Zion firm and sure, stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line, hold both day and night. It teach the tribe fi stand up strong. It sing the Ayayayay song. From root to peak, from base to crown, mountain of Zion never down. It guard the elder, guide the youth. It speak the words of holy truth. It shine the sun, it cool the breeze. Mountain stand with Jah decrease. Every step me climb so high, mountain lift me to the sky. No Babylon can pull me low. Mountain of Jah always show. Me sit up on the rocky place. See Jah glory, feel Jah grace. It chant the name for all to hear. Mountain whisper Jah is near. It call the humble, call the meek. Every soul the mountain seek. Strong foundation never fall. Mountain of Jah always show. When the trumpet sound again, mountain rise above all pain. Forever strong, forever true. Mountain bless me, bless you too. From morning sun to setting fire, mountain lift we ever higher. Holy Zion, holy ground, mountain echo Jah true sound. Climb high, climb strong, mountain of Zion all lifelong. No chain, no wall can stop the climb. Mountain stand for all time. Mountain of Zion firm and sure. Stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. From earth below to heaven high. Mountain of Zion never die. Na Zion, Reggae man. Golden gate so wide, so tall. Zion open for one and all. No guard of hate, no lack of chain. Only love can there remain. It welcome meek, it welcome true. Open gates for me and you. Every step a song of peace. Gates of Zion, love increase. Gates of Zion, open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fear, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. It shine with light, it glow with flame. Every gate Fire of Zion, cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah, eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan can hide away. Fire of Jah, reveal the way. Fire of Zion, blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. It burn the liar, burn the hate. Fire keep the righteous straight. It glow in temple, glow in land. Light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field. Burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine. Fire of Jah is so divine. It warm the children in the cold. It blaze the story prophets told. It dance upon the holy ground. Fire of Zion always found. It rise at night, it rise at day. Fire guide along the way. No storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul of all. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. Fire of Jah forever bright. Burn high, burn free. Fire of Zion energy. No hate, no fear can quench the flame. Fire of Jah forever same. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. From first spark to endless time. Fire of Zion ever shine.
Na 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 Zion Raga. From the hills me hear a call. Echo bounce from wall to wall. It tell the people stand up tall. Babylon rise but Babylon fall. Rivers sing and mountains sigh. Bird fly free across the sky. Every sound a prophecy. Zion whisper destiny. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling we fi trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jah presence everywhere. We walk the path where ancients trod. Every step I praise to God. Stone and tree and stream agree. Nature speak in harmony. Wind carry word from far and near. Hold the faith, the time soon here. Zion voice in heart so strong. Guide me right when things go wrong. Children learn the chant from birth, pass it round across the earth. It cure the mind, it heal the soul. Zion chant make people whole. Elders say it's more than song, it's the road we trod along. Echo ring in morning mist, every beat a sacred twist. Echo high, echo low, through the rain and through the snow. Carry hope, carry peace, till the Babylon system cease. Zion word now fade away, still a guide with to this day. When nightfall come, me still can hear voice of Zion loud and clear. It tell me rise, no time for sleep, harvest soon from what you reap. Me close me eyes and sing along, Zion echo keep me strong. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling me fi trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling me fi trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Jaja presence everywhere. Jaja presence everywhere.
Me walk through fire, me walk through rain, still me spirit feel no pain. Babylon try to break me down, but Jah lift me from the ground. Every trial me face with pride, with lion heart just stand beside. Strength a flow from root to crown, lion heart never bow down. Lightning, strong and true, Babylon fall we coming through. One Jah love me, shield and sword, trod in righteous, praise the Lord. Them set trap along the way, but me I see night and day. Me feel the drum beat in my chest, guide me path to righteousness. Like mountain high, me nah bow low, lion heart always grow. Every roar a victory cry, for all the people Jah lift high. From the desert to the sea, Jah light still shining over me. Even when me trod alone, Zion road become me home. Every step me know Jah plan, lion heart become the man. Through the darkness me still press on, till the breaking of the dawn. Step firm, step steady, heart strong, always ready. Babylon chain me break them quick, Jah wisdom me only trick. Lion heart now move in fear, only truth me carry here. Elders bless me with a chant, teach me words them spirit want. Drum still call me to the fight, fi stand in Jah holy light. Even storm can't change me way, lion heart are here fi stay. trod in righteous, praise the Lord. Chant by me, strong and true. Babylon fall, we coming through. One Jah love me, shield and sword. Trod in righteous, praise the Lord. One Jah love me, shield and sword. Chalk light. Trotting righteous, praise the Lord. Ayayayay, sound of Zion. Ganja blaze, ya man. Step out of me yard, the lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. In a walk alone, me trod with your light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see youths with no hope, no plan. But me say, hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the storm in a rootsman farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, rootsman vision. Me nah dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me nah throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston Street to Berlin Yard. One rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in the air. Lion road deep, no time for fear. Me dep on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system roll, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, rootsman vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me nah need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me nah wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line. And blaze the herb fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes bring the people insight. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near.
Ayayayay, down by the riverside with the ganja glow. Yo man, me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds are sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, herb in hand. Meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no phone, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song, and in the peace, me know me belong. Roots man meditate in a delight. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, thought drift flow. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Roots man walk in humble peace, and with each chant, the weight release. Me cook it all stew pan open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. The night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beat strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It born in I from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray. Me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say, Rasta, why you smile? Me say, me live truth and walk Jah mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game, we are not the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Roots man chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day, and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me nah seek gold, me seek divine. Me party's roots, me soul align. Roots man walk with humble pride, cause Jah ever there by my side. So if you lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Roots man meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul we wake and not sleep. Ayayayay. Big spliff with coconut, your man. We step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. We feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. We carry no phone, we carry no chain, just a spliff, a drum, and a mind so plain. We walk through mist and mango trees. We chant ancient words, carried by breeze. Me not in a rush, me in a flow. We reason with river and let wisdom grow. We meet an elder by a roots man gate. Him say youths take time, don't move with hate. Him light a chalice, pass it slow. Tell story about time when the vibes did glow. We listen close with a humble ear. Each word a jewel, each pass sincere. The path not straight, but it's always true. When you walk with Jah, you find what's due. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. In a valley me find a quiet spring. We sit and write songs for the most high king. No stage, no fame, just me and Jah. A coconut, a fire and the Itala. We reflect on life, how Babylon rush, how them chase vanity and forget lush. But me know say simplicity a key to unlock joy and truly be free.
Nah, 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 Rastaman grind the ganja, yeah, man.
Hey, hey. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beat in Babylon falling apart. Rastafire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree. Sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love's solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we hold firm. Like the lion we raw with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah, now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall.
Jamaica hashisha man. Sunrise paint the sky with gold. Story of Jah love retold. Every hilltop blaze with light. Chase away the shadow night. Birds are sing for brand new day. Jah light guide we on the way. Over valley, over plain. Jah mercy fall like healing rain. Jah light over hills, warm the heart, calm the chills. Every soul come alive. With Jah love we survive. Me climb the hill at break of dawn. Me see creation shining strong. River glisten, earth rejoice. Me hear Jah calling in the voice. Clouds apart fi show the land. Blessed by Jah mighty hand. Every color paint the sky. Jah light lift me spirit high. Even when the storm cloud form, Jah light keep the spirit warm. Me know the morning soon will come. With Naya Bingi holy drum. Babylon try fi dim the glow, but Jah light always show. Truth a shine like crystal stream. Guide me forward in Jah dream. Mark
it to the shore. People feel the light once more. Children dancing morning beams, like them walking in Jah dreams. Every smile a blessing true. Jah light shining through and through. No chain can bind, no wall can block. Jah light at the solid rock. Rise up, children, rise up strong. Jah light carry we along. Over mountain, over sea. Jah light set the captives free. Fire blaze but never burn. To Jah light we always turn. Nightfall come but still me see Jah light shining endlessly. It not fade, it not tire. Lift me soul like holy fire. Over hills through every mile. Jah light keep me heart in smile. Till the trumpet of Zion blow. Jah light guide me where me go. Jah light over hills, warm the heart, calm the chills. Every soul come alive. With Jah love we survive. From sunrise till the day is done. Jah light shine for everyone.
Zion reggae with ganja, yeah man.
Me rise up early with the sun. Chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in style, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land. In ganja smoke and jaja and me burn a split fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground. Roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew. Learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke grow like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb but art, you know. The land that teach a herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Ayayayay. Yeah, man, give me the paper, static. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, yo. Yeah, man. The fire burn, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jaja power, the fire within. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Every trial is a lesson we learn. The system heavy, but this soul is free. Jaja spirit bring we victory. From the streets of Kingston to the African plain. The struggle the same, the love remain. The roots grow deep, the branches tall. One world, one people, rise above all. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jaja power, the fire within. Music are the weapon, love are the key. Unlock the chain, set the captives free. The beat are the heart, the rhythm divine. Reggae are the bridge where the spirits align. Not fear the shadow, not fear the night. The star of Jah shine pure and bright. The fire of truth make the darkness fade. We keep on marching in the light Jah made. Oh, the fire ignite. Feel the power, feel the light. Oh, the message clear. Jaja love, Jaja near. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jaja power, the fire within. So rise my people, now let them win. Jaja guide you through thick and thin. The fire a burn, it never fade. In the warmth of Jah we unafraid. Sailor!
Ayayayay, Rasta Zion. Roll the spliff. Inna the hills, far from city scream. Me find the stillness like a sacred dream. No concrete, no flashing light, just trees, breeze, and stars at night. Me bare feet step on earth so old, feeling the stories them ancestors told. Me carry drum and me carry flame, we call the spirit in Jah name. Me pitch me tent under holy sky. Me roll me herbs while I'll fly by. Me hear the silence like ancient sound, so deep it shake me soul from ground. Me light up chalice, eyes turn red, but it's not fi forget, it's fi wake the dead. Me chant alone, but me not feel alone. Jah voice echo in every stone. Jah guiding, fire in the air. Me reason with trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drum beat pure and not
yeah man. Me close me eyes and me feel the wind. Ancient voices start to sing. Drums from Mali, flutes from Nile. Me travel back in time a while. Me not in a plane, me soldiers fly. Me walk through sands under mystic sky. Me step in a village, children a play. Me hear me ancestors whisper and pray. Me see the lion, proud and strong. The baobab trees, them sing me song. Me hand touch soil, so rich and black. Me spirit know, me finally back. Me see a queen in robes of gold. She look upon me and secrets unfold. You come from kings, from warrior line. Your blood is truth, your soul divine. Africa calling, roots them growing, like rivers flowing. Me overstanding, me heart beat to drum. Me I see far, me soul light up like morning star. Me not forget who me be. Me come from land, me come from sea. Return to motherland, me rise again with ganja, chant and healing rain. Me walk through Congo, Ghana and Cape. Each land a story, each hill a shape. The elders chant in sacred tongue. Me feel them fire in every lung. Me na lost youth, me find me way through Naya Bingi beats and African day. Me chant for peace, me chant for light. Me vision clear like mountain heights. In Ethiopia, me sip me brew. Herbs from heights, me thoughts feel new. Me sit with dreads, them full of lore. Them teach me things me never know before. The stars above speak the same. Them call life by me Rasta name. Me hold the herb, me hold the truth. Me step in power, me step in youth. Africa calling, roots them growing, like rivers flowing. Me overstanding, me heart beat to drum. Me I see far, me soul light up like morning star. Me not forget who me be. Me come from land, me come from sea. Return to motherland, me rise again with ganja, chant and healing rain. Me nah need passport, me nah need plane. Me soul remember every name. Me DNA is drum and fire. Me birthright is Jah empire. From Timbuktu to Zion gate, me carry love, not fear or hate. Me see them.
Na 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 na, son of a Zion, yeah man.
Early in the morning, me rise with the sun. Naya Bingi drum beat, they just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Son over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smile, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Build from roots and bless from the start. Me sip vital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most I ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze,
but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me not carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors. From above, fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me trouble